Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both AirPods and the case have sufficient charge, and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, place the case open within a few feet of the device and keep other wireless gadgets off to avoid interference. If the AirPods don't auto-connect, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. Make sure the device's screen stays unlocked and look for the pairing pop-up or AirPods entry in Bluetooth settings. Once initial pairing fails, you should remove known pairings. Forget the AirPods in your device's Bluetooth list and toggle Bluetooth off and back on to clear cached profiles. Next, perform a full AirPods reset by holding the setup button until the status light shows amber then white. This clears stuck states and forces a fresh handshake. Make sure your phone's operating system is updated because firmware installs push-through only with recent OS versions. After updates, attempt pairing again and watch for the device to accept the new connection. To finish, validate the connection by playing audio and making a quick call. Verify both buds' output sound and the microphone works. If sound is only in one bud, check Bluetooth balance and reseat the AirPods in the case for 10 seconds, then reconnect. If problems persist, try pairing with an alternate device to determine whether the AirPods or your original host is at fault. For persistent hardware faults, like charging failures or unresponsive buds, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider and check warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.